If you're new, my name is Teacher Jasmine, and this is my channel, King's Tutoring. I'm an online English and Spanish teacher. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to introduce someone in Spanish. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram and leave a comment down below. And also like this video. Without further ado, let's begin. So the first phrase I want to teach you is presentarle en presentarte. So in the sentence, quiero presentarle a, presentarle with the L would be the formal greeting. Now, quiero presentarte with the T is the informal greeting. So again, quiero presentarle a, and then who you're presenting, formal, and quiero presentarte with the T, a, would be the informal greeting. Now here are some other ways you can present someone. You can say, te presento a, or I present to you, and then their name. That's informal. Now this could be a mom or a friend. Or you can say, le presento a. This is the formal way. Let's say you're introducing your boss. You can say, le presento a, and then the name of the person. Or you can say, les presento a, which is also formal. And this is when you're talking about more than one person. Now to express this or these when introducing someone, you would use the demonstrative adjectives este, esto, esta, or estos and estas. Let's look at some examples. So for the sentence here, this is Manuel. In Spanish we would say, este es Manuel. For the sentence, this is Lucy, we would introduce them as esta es Lucy. Now, if there's a group that you're introducing, you would use estos if they're all male, or if there's some females in the group, you would still say estos. For example, estos son Manuel, Miguel, y Lucy. Or if everyone is a female in the group, then you would use estas. Estas son Jessica, Jasmine, y Helen. Now let's review some of the responses you can use after you have been introduced to someone. You can simply respond, ¿qué tal? Or what's up? Mucho gusto, which means pleasure to meet you. Or gusto en conocerlo or conocerla, which means nice to meet you. Now let's go ahead and practice introducing someone as well as practicing some of the responses you can use. So we have our first example, which is the informal way of presenting someone. Helen, quiero presentarte a mi amigo Jesús. Here's a response that Helen can say. Hola Jesús, ¿qué tal? Or, hi Jesus, what's up? The next example is a formal way of presenting someone. Señor Hernández, quisiera presentarle a mi jefe, la señora García. Mucho gusto en conocerla. Or, it's nice to meet you or get to know you. And then another response you can say is, igualmente, señor Hernández. Or, likewise. Now let's review our 10 new learned words from today's lesson. So we have our first one, presentarle, which is formal. Presentarte, which is informal. Encantado or encantada, which means pleased to meet you. Gusto en conocerlo or conocerla, which means nice to meet you. Mucho gusto, which is pleasure to meet you. ¿Qué tal? Which means what's up. Igualmente, likewise. Quisiera, I want to. Jefe, boss. And este, esto, estas, or estos, which means this is. Great job. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.